Okay guys, really quick, we're going to be installing a new thermocouple replacement kit and gasket. This is for the Rheem brand. You'll find these typically at Home Depot. This is a Home Depot product that they sell. So pretty simple. What you want to do first is we're going to turn off the gas. All right. Now the reason why this water heater thermocouple is getting replaced is that the pilot light won't stay on. Originally we thought it was from the wind, but it kept doing it. So the next solution is to change out the thermocouple. This kit only costs about 20 bucks, so it's not too expensive, but it's really simple. We're just gonna take this plate off, pull out this insulation here. All right, so we're gonna pop this sucker out. We got 4 screws here. We're gonna pop this out, unscrew it from here, and that's pretty much it. So we'll do that next. These dudes take the star tips. Okay, so next you want to take this off, this, and your electrical connector here for the igniter. Okay, so here's our thermocouple. What you want to do is hit it to loosen it. So after you gently tap it with a crescent wrench or another tool, go ahead and grab a set of channel locks, and that'll give you some leverage on the back side. And what you want to do is just grab the thermocouple and pull it through the hole. You might get a lot of carbon on it, so you gotta kind of wiggle it through. But channel locks are essential for this process. Okay, got it. All right, so now that that's out, we're just gonna feed it through the rubber gasket here. Okay, so all that did was just slide right out. So as you can see, we got a gasket right here. This is going to get replaced. All right, now this kit comes with that star screwdriver, just in case you guys need it. Okay, so just feed it through. Remove this. Swap these out. And these have little magnets on the back side. I don't know if you can see them on camera. There's magnets, so it'll stick to the plate. Alright, so now we got our new thermocouple. So just be careful when you unwind it here. Alright. Okay, so after you feed the thermocouple through the gasket, grab your channel locks again and manipulate the copper to where it won't bind up on the gasket. So you see me here bending it. Just be very careful. Just bend to your choosing, and then you're going to slide the thermocouple through the gasket. Once you do that, then you're going to want to curve it to where it's going to go by the igniter. Okay, then you're just going to feed it through that little hole again. Boom, and just push it to where it stops. Okay, and that's it. Pull the extra slack out. Okay. All right, so now we're going to slide it back in. Okay, so now we're going to put the rest of the fittings in. So I got this flared fitting. It's going to go inside. You just want to push up, make sure it's nice and secure. Okay, this is a flared fitting, so you don't have to necessarily do this. The manufacturer didn't do it, but I'm going to put it on there just in case. Just make sure you don't go over the flared side. Okay. And this is just going to go right in here. Boom. Okay, next step, turn your gas on. Every water heater has its directions on there, so go ahead and follow those if you don't know how. Okay, before you hit the pilot, you want to make sure it says off, and then rotate it to pilot. Okay. Then you're going to press down pilot, and then hit the igniter switch at the same time. Okay, so now we got our flame lit. I don't know if you guys can see it down there. Let's see if I can't get a better picture. Okay. So the flame is lit. That's what you want. All right. Then you want to rotate to on. Okay, so we got a nice flame going. So when you replace your thermocouple, don't freak out if the pilot light keeps going off. You got to hold that pilot light down for at least a few minutes. That way it gets the gas cycled through correctly. And then switch it immediately to on, and then put it to your desired temperature. You know, very hot, hot, or low. So that's pretty much it. So we got a nice flame going. So we're gonna go very hot, okay? Everything's lit. It's looking good. All right, so the last step now is to put on your installation and cover plate when you're done. All right, guys, so that concludes this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Please like and subscribe if you guys want to see more videos like this in the future. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next one.